jumped on the boat and they went to station, just to name a few. So we're going to start in the first spring, which is coming up straight ahead. This first spring area we're coming into is 26 feet deep.
Wow.
Now all that shiny stuff at the bottom is limestone. That's one of the reasons the river got its name, because when the sun shines on it, it reflects. It gives off that silver or silver blue appearance. Now the spring got its name because it's been dedicated to all the movie stars that have been here over the years doing TV and movie productions. As far back as 1916, that's when they started making movies here. And ABC Broadcasting owned the property for many years and did a lot of different filming events. And we'll talk about them as we go along.
This is so cool.
Now the water is coming up out of the Florida Aquifer, which is basically an underground series of waterways that provides Florida with fresh water. The amount of water that comes out is all governed by the amount of rain that we get. So basically more rains, more water, and the deeper the river, and vice versa. That is what makes the river rise and fall. Now we're still kind of in the dry season, not a lot of rain going on. So the river is down quite a bit. If you want to know how much, just look at the trees on your side. You can see the watermarks where it was and where it is now. What's that?
Why is it warm?
Why is it warm? It's just, that's the temperature of the water coming out. Why it's warm, I couldn't tell you. It's just, all the springs here in Florida vary anywhere usually from 72 to 74 degrees.
Moving that white stuff coming across the limestone.
There it is. How cool is that?
It's a pretty heavy one.
Hello?
I want to hold some.
There's another cormorant here off to the right. Those diving birds.
That one right there is going to pop out.
There's one on the left. Now, if you look closely, it's hard to tell from here, but their skin is not slick like a shark. It's got little hairs on it. Technical to the temperature of the water.
They're hungry.
It's coming up. Oh, he knows. He's smart.
There he is.
Okay. We're allowed to do this here.
I guess there's a current, but we're not under power. They were using a couple of those Bond movies, as well as an old TV show from the 60s called I Spy, that starred Robert Culp and Bill Cosby. Now they're about 7 feet tall, made out of fiberglass, and weighted down with concrete. Now these are only 3 of about a dozen that originally were put down here back in the early 60s for different scenes and different shows. And when the movie people left, they took the rest, left these 3. They've been down there ever since. You can't see the current, but it's pushing me around here. Is everybody seeing them? Anybody not seeing them?
I see them. The algae is like going around it.
Algae's full, Jess.
Yeah, look at it. It's like.
It's like a lava lamp.
Yeah.
It is.
And I dropped it in water.
It'll be a bummer.
Gives it that bluish tint.
That's pretty hot.
Now we're going to make our way into the Spring of Life, just another spring area over here with a variety of different sizes and shaped springs.
Dog, that guy had a dog on the boat.
It's nice and deep. Clean.
There's some wood ducks out the front of the boat there. See, it's like 2 males and 2 females.
Big turtle.
Wow, look at the size of that turtle.
Now we're going to be circling a long, narrow rock formation. Right next to it, about 20 feet down, you're going to see a long, narrow piece of wood. Kind of looks like a long board. Years ago, we had a team of experts come down from the University of Florida and examine it. And they believe it to be the remains of an old dugout canoe left behind by the Timucuan Indians that were here over 500 years ago. That's our oldest artifact still here in the water.
See him?
No.
Now you're probably wondering how could it still be there if it's hundreds of years old.
See that yellow thing?
Well, in many cases they use cypress wood to make these canoes. Cypress trees are very common here. And they call cypress wood the eternal wood because it will never rot as long as it's kept submerged in water.